Okay, guys, after a 2 week break due to technical issues, my laptop was away for repair. We are back just in time for a banger because Kiwi is officially back. Officially. Let's hear it straight from the horse's mouth.
Reserve management purchases will amount to $40 billion in the first month and may remain elevated for a few months to alleviate expected near-term pressures in money markets. Thereafter, we expect the size of reserve management purchases to decline, though the actual pace will depend on market conditions.
Okay, interesting. So, I'll just have a little article here you can read in the background while I'm explaining this. But essentially, to translate what Powell said in the meeting yesterday, is that okay, we're going to be making 40 billion per month treasury purchases to manage near-term money market liquidity. So he's not saying it's QE, but it basically is because he's essentially going to be buying bonds from these banks to provide them with liquidity, starting with $40 billion a month. Now, that's no small amount. And, he didn't say QE, but that for all intents and purposes, it is QE. Let's just ask ChatGPT here. Give us a no fluff, one sentence definition for QE. When a central bank creates money to buy assets, it's going to be buying treasuries from these banks. So you're going to see this, as we were talking about in our last video, you're going to see this start to go up. December 12th was the date for the first purchase, which is tomorrow actually. So QE is actually starting a lot sooner than anyone thought. Because, and I think what we talked about in our last video is because of these liquidity issues these banks are facing, the Fed is said they're forced to do QE now. So this is extremely bullish. I mean, the silver price has been reacting like crazy. New all-time highs every day since this meeting. Um, so that's very significant. Now, another significant thing that we have, let me play this clip. Uh, Another significant thing we have coming up is the new nomination of the new Fed chair because Powell's term is ending in May of next year, so in less than 6 months. And essentially, how it works, the president usually nominates the new Fed chair. Obama nominated Janet Yellen in 2013, and in 2018, Trump nominated Powell himself, actually. So now it's basically down to Trump who he can pick, and it's no secret that Trump wants the rates to go down. He wants QE, and Polymarket is pricing in right now. If you see here, 74% chance that Trump will nominate this Kevin Hassett guy. Kevin Hassett. So let's just play this clip.
Potential Fed chair is here too. I don't know. He's a
Look how
respected
happy he
person,
is.
that I can tell you. Thank you, Kevin. Potential.
Yeah, so he's calling this guy the potential Fed chair, which is basically confirming that Trump is going to pick him. And look at all
Fed
of
chair
Trump's
is here
lackeys
too. I
looking
don't
at him.
know. He's a
Look at
respected
that.
person, that I
Look at
can
that.
tell you. Thank
Look
you,
at Kevin
Kevin.
Hassett.
Potential.
So this guy, 74% chance he's going to be the next Fed chair. Now, who is Kevin Hassett? He's basically, he's not really experienced. He's been an economist for the Fed about 20 years ago in the 90s. That's basically where his experience begins and ends. Right now, let's just go on his Wikipedia. But right now, he's the director for the National Economic Council, which is the advisory board which advises Trump on economic policy. Obviously, Trump has picked Kevin Hassett. And he's been an advisor for George Bush, for McCain, for Mitt Romney, all of these Republican guys. But he's really in favor with Trump. And he's essentially one of these moon boys. He wrote a book actually before the dot-com bubble burst in 1999 called Dow 36,000, which essentially said, oh, stock prices should be 4 times higher than they actually are. 2 years later, dot-com bubble explodes. and bursts. So he's a Trump lackey basically. He's gonna cut interest rates for Trump. He's gonna QE for Trump. Um, eh, and the market thinks this guy is gonna get picked by Trump as Fed chair, and that's a very big deal for the markets. He's not gonna hold back like Powell is holding back. Like even Powell, who's very conservative, he's already starting QE. He's already cutting rates. So you can imagine the craziness that's gonna happen when this Kevin Hassett guy is the Fed chair. It's gonna be chaos. Honest, if I'm being completely honest with you guys. So a lot of a lot of what the market's been pricing in past years coming to light. Uh, so yeah, I just wanted to make this little update. Look into this Kevin Hassett guy because he's the next likely Fed chair. Um, yeah, like very significant, and yeah, I'm actually kind of scared. This guy's gonna QE so much. He's a Trump lackey. He's like Trump. He says, "Oh, I want interest rates to go to zero." He wants the QE. So yeah, I just wanted to make a quick update video here, and yeah, it's essentially confirmed. QE is confirmed.